Welcome to part 4 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. If you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is designed especially for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in great detail. After you make a line, you will have to go to the selection tool and click with it to tell Illustrator to stop drawing the line. Then go back to the pen tool, or with the pen tool selected, you could hold down the control key and click on your background. Holding down the control key in any tool will switch that tool to the selection tool. With the direct selection tool, remember the second tool in the tool panel. Move the end of one line very close to the end of the other line. What we want to do is actually move the points over each other. But in order to do that, we need to magnify our view. Choose the zoom tool. It looks like a magnifying glass. And click near your 2 points to zoom in on the view. Click several times or drag to get really close. This is usually necessary in Illustrator since the detail the application is capable of is much higher than the detail the screen is capable of. This does not change anything in your document, just your view of it. Now with only one point selected, use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move the point closer to the other point. This is called nudging. Using the mouse or by nudging, move one point directly over the other. Move around your document while it is enlarged by selecting the hand tool, which is under the zoom tool, and using it to move the page around. If you use these tools a lot, you can tear off the panel to use. Try it with the zoom and hand tools. Now zoom back out to see your whole page. The Alt key switches a tool to something you might also want to do with the tool. In the case of the zoom tool, holding down Alt key changes the tool from enlarging tool to a reducing tool. You can also double click on the zoom tool itself to bring the page to actual size. And if you double click on the hand tool itself, it will reduce the page to fit in the window you have. So let's get back to our lines with the selection tool. Click on a line to select it and go to the Properties panel again, or go to Window, Properties if it is not showing, and click on the word Stroke again. We will explore a couple of important options here. Change the cap of the line to a rounded cap. If you can't see the difference, increase the weight of the line. Now check dashed line and enter different values in the first box to see what difference it makes. If you leave all the other boxes blank, your dashed line will have the equal spaces and dashes. If you fill them in with numbers, your line will have a pattern to the dashes. You will notice with your dashed line that each dash will have the cap type you specified, either rounded or squared off. While you are at it, look at the arrowheads and profile options also. That's all in our part 4 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I will see you in the part 5.